what's quite astonishing and surprising to us all was we had this piece sitting just next to the edge of the trench there, and one particular morning last week the light hit it at a very low angle because it just looks like, you know, any normal kind of igneous rock. There's nothing particularly spectacular about it, but when the light hit it in this way, we noticed it has megalithic art on it. So it has all of these circles, and Professor Marissa Sullivan and Elizabeth Sheethuig, who are both the kind of foremost experts in megalithic art, they looked at it and they agreed that, you know, it is in fact this. It's quite a rare discovery. It's extremely rare in the Dublin and Wicklow Mountains. I think there's only one other tomb at Seafin that definitely has it as well. We had a guy called Ken Williams who is a brilliant photographer, and he used this photogrammetry technique to really bring it out. Because you look at it now, and because the light isn't right, you just can't see it. And one of the big things it does is that you only find this type of megalithic art with passage tombs. So it proves conclusively that what we're standing on is a Neolithic passage tomb of some significance. So it's a really incredible, exciting discovery for us all, really. Ross was pointing out a larger circular cut, because it just hit it at this thing, and as Ross went onto the van, we were all looking at it, and we all kind of gasped at the same time, because we could see it was all over the top of these two concentric circles. So we knew this one had it, but I didn't know at all that that one had it over there as well. It's so incredibly weathered, this rock, and it's been damaged by the fires and so on, so they're not easy to see by any stretch of the imagination. It's not quite like the art that jumps out a mile at Newgrange or Nowth. It's much trickier. It's this amazing disappear and reappearing art. So it's quite an important artefact for that. It really is.